Hello, this is Will Well Armed. Today we're going to look at a phone backup battery. This is a company called Elefull, and it's Chinese like everything else. This one, what I like about it, it's very affordable. It's $25 range, free shipping with Prime, and it is 30,000 mAh. That's those little numbers that you see on all the batteries nowadays. So it must be just packed full of those 18650s. What I figure it's probably 4 rows times 4, probably 8 of those. Anyway, it's got 30,000 of those little buggers in there. So my phone is a Samsung S20, and this does charge it all the way. So it's got a nice little digital readout, so you can tell what percent. It goes up to 99%. Never seen it at 100, but I've fully charged my phone 3 times. I know it'll do it 4 times, 3.5, but not a full 4. But my phone is a beast as far as, and it does charge very quick. So it is the high-speed charger. So it's real easy to use. It does have, you can charge multiple phones at a time. It does have the small, it does have the C, the regular type of mini USB, full size. So it can charge, it can be charging and recharging at the same time. I don't know why you do that, but anyway, if you got any questions, let me know. Pretty neat product, $25, no complaints. I've charged it up and down about 6 times. It charges in about 2.5 hours from nothing to full 99%. And so I'm pretty happy with it. If you got any questions, let me know. Otherwise, it's Will and Well Armed. Have a great day and be prepared.